These railings will come to you in one piece. First, you will unscrew the fastener so that it can fit onto the bed frame. Attach the bottom of the railing first, then rotate the top into its place. While holding the railing, tighten the fastener until the railing is secured onto the bed frame. In order to raise and lower the railing, you should place one hand on the railing to hold it while pulling the catch from the bottom. The railing can now be lowered. These railings have multiple pieces: 2 railings, 2 attachment rods, and 4 attachment pieces to secure it to the bed frame. You may start by attaching the railing to the attachment rod as shown. Once you have completed both railings, you can then lower it onto the bed frame. There are indication notches to help align it. Using the attachment pieces, you can secure the attachment to the bed frame. Using the screws and the wing nuts, you will secure it with the plate that is shown. Continue this step until all 4 are secured. In order to raise and lower the railing, you should place one hand on the railing while pulling the movement knob out. This will allow the railing to be raised and lowered. This railing will come to you in 2 parts, the tension rod and the railings. First, you will identify where you will position the rod on the bed frame by locating the indicator notch at the head and foot of the bed. Place one end of the tension rod into the notch and do the same with the other side. Repeat this step with the second tension rod. Once you have positioned both rods onto the bed frame, you can lower the railing into the cuff by pulling the catch lever, which will raise and lower the railings.